This is the fifth and final video in our customer onboarding series. What is customer onboarding and what role does it play? Essentially, customer onboarding involves bringing new customers into your business's product funnel in an organized and effective manner. Once someone has made an order or answered a call to action, you can consider them a customer and start sending them information to help them learn about your business and your other offerings. Numerous studies have shown that the better the customer onboarding, the longer the customer stays with the business. Onboarding may include upselling, recommending a better version of the product automatically, cross-selling, recommending other products that are complementary to the one they purchased, product benefit education, teaching the customer about the product before and after purchase, product activation, the ability to activate and register the product, payment automation, allowing for automatic payments via online systems like PayPal to make it easier for the customer. The benefits of customer onboarding are to help avoid customers leaving and ensuring they learn about all your offerings. During the onboarding process, you have to find a way to explain your products and services, set up their expectations, give them reasons to use the product, and help them understand the value of your products or services. The role customer onboarding plays explains benefits and features of your product to your customer, provides information about the products and or services to your customer, teaches the customer to use the product effectively, creates engagement with customers, builds trust with the customer, sets expectations for the customer, makes customers raving fans. If you do it right, your customers will tell everyone they know about you. The process each customer goes through will be automated and personalized at the same time for maximum results. Without a good onboarding process, you can actually lose customers, and that's expensive. Why and how you need to practice customer onboarding. First, you need to define what onboarding a customer is to you. For example, some people say you can't onboard anyone until they make a purchase with money. But the truth is, whenever someone answers one of your calls to action, they can be put into your onboarding process. The automation can be provided by software like aweber.com, which is a very popular email autoresponder program. You should set goals. What is the goal for the website visitor? Do you want them to sign up for your newsletter? Do you want them to buy something you've recommended? You should set up step-by-step processes. Set up a system where your audience will be led through the process of signing up. Then you need to create engagement. Use live chat software of some kind, email software, social media, or even polls to help create customer engagement that is meaningful and builds trust. You should also set expectations. You want the audience to know what to expect from the moment they get into your process. Let them know how often they'll get emails, how to reach you if they need to, and what to expect from your product. Be specific. Finally, you want to wow your customers in ways that keep them tied to you emotionally. This will increase their lifetime customer value and help you keep the customers you worked so hard to get in the first place.